What's up, Breeze Heat family? We are back with another one pan recipe. This time we have a creamy chicken and rice. Y'all, these are my favorites because I love rice, and I also love the fact that it's super easy to make. You can just kind of throw everything in a pot, walk away, do what you need to do for the day. Perfect for meal preps, etc. But if you're here and you like this, go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe so you can get all of my videos and see everything as I post it. And if you would like, go ahead and hit that notification button. We just trying to get some more light and make it look good for y'all. If you're interested in what I'm using for my background, just let me know in the comments and I will get y'all the link for that. But today we are going to be using our Danos original. You can get your Danos through my affiliate link. I'll have it linked below. And then I'll also get like a little percentage of that. But that would be great for you guys. I do love this seasoning. I wouldn't be putting it on my YouTube if I didn't. So I use the original and the spicy because I feel like the spicy got a little bit more kick to it, like a little bit more like the Creole style. The original is kind of more like a garlic and herb taste, I would say. So I mix a little bit of the spicy because we do like things a little spicy in my house. So go ahead and get you some Danos. They are 0-calorie seasonings as well as low in sodium, which is what I really like. I added a little bit of olive oil on there to get it a little bit more coated onto there. And go ahead and just add as much. If you want it to be coated a little bit more, do that. But go ahead, get that Dano seasoning with the link in my bio. Of course, I'm going to be starting with some oil, but I use avocado oil. And even though I use some avocado oil, you can definitely use olive oil for this recipe because avocado oil be a little on the expensive side. You know, I'm trying to save y'all a few coins during this inflation, recession, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, go ahead and get it well coated into the pan. I hate when it caught in all pools in what area. Y'all see that? It's literally, I'm convinced that my apartment is on the hill because what is going on? So get your chicken thighs in there one at a time, skin side down, because we want that skin to be crispy. And you're going to allow it to cook in here for a total of 5 minutes on each side. When you flip it, it'll be a little bit crispy, you know, but it's not going to be done when you take it all the way out. But once you continue to cook it into that rice, it'll finish up. So don't be nervous. After the 5 minutes, it's going to look a little bit crispy on it. Like I said, I have it on a medium to high. I don't know if I said it, but I do have it on a medium to high, which is always in my house like a 5 or a 6 if you're looking at the little numbers. And as you can see, I have an electric stove. If you got a gas stove, be careful, don't be in there burning stuff up. Cause you ain't gonna blame it on Breeze Heat, baby. No, I'm gonna have y'all sign some waivers before y'all start cooking with me. But nah, for real, just go ahead and just be careful. Don't want it too high. You don't want it to be burning. That's how you would kind of know that it's up too high. If it's up too high, turn it down a little bit. You know, you want to get a nice little crisp on the outside of it. And this is what it looks like. After your 5 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and remove your chicken out of the pan, and you're gonna keep all of the oil in there. This nice juicy oil. Y'all see that crisp on the back of that? Yes, it looks so good. So like I said, remove them all, set them to the side, set them on a plate. Whatever, y'all know me, I'm doing a plastic plate because ain't nobody in here cleaning my dishes. If you would like to be that person that wants to put it on a regular plate, you do that. It's your world. We just living in it. And I wanted these two to have a little bit more crisp on them, so I left them in there for a second. That's okay. If it don't look how you want to, leave it in there until it, you know, get a little something. But I added a tablespoon of butter just to the oil so it wouldn't, you know, burn while I was waiting getting my rice together. And I added 1/2 cup, well, 1 cup and a half of rice, and I started to cook it into that oil. So now all the dripping from the grease and the chicken is getting all roasted until that, oh my God, y'all. It's just beautiful. By roasting this, it's gonna really, I feel like roasting your rice a little bit, help it cook to a, you know, like a little more, have a little more texture when you cook it. It's not gonna be crunchy or anything, but it is gonna be nice, you know, firm. Devon said, hey y'all, so say hey to my baby. You better say it big. I heard y'all. Thank you for saying it back. But yeah, once this is done, you're gonna go ahead. I use 1.5 cups of chicken broth and then another 1.5 cups of regular water. If you don't got no chicken broth, but you got some chicken bouillon powder, go ahead, add that chicken bouillon powder to some water, and it's gonna be chicken broth, baby. Yes, it is. For your rice, whatever measurement you need to measure, you need to measure. Whatever you do, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Double your liquid. Double your liquid, double your liquid, double your liquid. Y'all hear me, right? Double your liquid. And use a measuring cup or something. Once you got your rice in there, you're gonna go ahead and get your chicken in one by one. Yes, and then it's gonna come to a boil, and that's kind of when you're gonna start. Oh yeah, and I also seasoned my like water or chicken broth or whatever with a little bit more Danos at the end, just to give it a little bit more flavor, because I really love this seasoning. Like I said, you can go and get yours using this link below. They are great. Like I said, low sodium, which is good for the girls. You know what I'm saying? Get your chicken in there and you're going to let it come to a boil. And once it comes to the boil, that's when you're going to want to cover it. After you cover it, oh, see, there it is, boiling. Cover it and get it to a simmer. After it's reached that simmering point, probably about 25 minutes, and it should really look like this. Yes, y'all. And then as far as the sauce, I did a half a stick of butter, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and I sprinkled in 1 tablespoon of my original Dano seasoning. Poured it on the top just like that, and I kind of let it soak into the rice for about 3 to 5 minutes before I served it. And y'all, this was so good. Look how juicy that chicken thigh is. Just look at it. If y'all do try this recipe, y'all know I would love to see it. Go ahead and tag me on all my socials. My Beacons link will be below. If you click that link, you'll be able to buy your Danos. I'll have a direct link for the Danos on there, but you'll also be able to follow me on all my social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it is. You like it, I love it. Just follow me, and I would love to see y'all recreate this. If you're using it for a meal prep, let me know. Whatever it is, thank y'all so much for all of y'all support. I will see y'all next time.